my channels. Now we study your chemistry GK question on the basis of periodic table. Now let's start. Question number 4 first. How many elements present in modern periodic tables? The periodic tables we study in this periodic tables 118 elements. Next, how many periods in modern periodic tables? We know that is in the its up to downs are periods. These are 7 rows of period 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's and next, how many groups in modern periodic tables? We see the periodic table in this 18 groups of 1 2 3 4 5. This is 18 groups of periodic. Next, who is regarded as father of periodic table? The first is known as Mendeleev. These are the father of periodic table. Name the scientist who made the periodic table first time. The first time periodic table is made by the Mendeleev. Next, name the scientist who classified for the first time. Classified, it means the classification of first time the elements in periodic tables defined by the Dobiniers. Next, name the lightest noble gas in periodic tables. There are the 18 groups in periods. These are the noble gases. It's called inert gases. These are the lightest elements of heliums. Next, in modern periodic table, noble gases are present in which groups? We study in modern periodic tables. The last 18th group is period of noble gases. Name the largest period in the periodic table. We study in periodic tables the groups period number 6. 6 periodic groups is 32 elements present in which periods. The largest period is period 6. Next, how many elements present in largest period 6? Largest period 6 in which 32 elements, highest elements present in period 6. Next, name the smallest period in periodic tables. The smallest period in periodic table is first, in which only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium present. First period only hydrogen and helium present. It is a smallest period of periodic tables. Next, how many elements present in smallest period? We study the smallest period of period number first. In period number first, the hydrogen and helium, only 2 elements are present in periodic tables. Next, name the first element in modern periodic table. We study in periodic tables. The first element is hydrogen. Next, name the last element in modern periodic tables. The last modern element is oxazole. This is now discovered by 118 elements of periodic table. Last elements 118 element of periodic table. Next, in modern periodic tables, group 17 is also called known as. In periodic tables, the last 18 group is inert and nobles. Just before 17 groups is called halogen groups. This is identifies fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. Next, how many elements are arranged in modern periodic tables? The arrangement of elements in modern periodic table is on the basis of atomic number. We study in the periodic tables the elements hydrogen 1, helium 2, lithium 3, and then beryllium 4 and boron 5. etc. These are the arrangement on the basis of atomic number. Next, name the lightest elements in periodic tables. In the all periodic tables, in all 118 elements, lightest weight element is lithium. Its atomic number is 3 and atomic mass is 6. Next, how many free electrons present in elements of halogen groups? We study the halogen group is 17 groups, and in this groups are 7 elements are present in 7 electrons are present in this, like as fluorine. Its configuration is 2 7. Last in orbits is 7 electrons are present in which. Next, what is the valency of elements of halogen groups? Halogens like as fluorine, chlorine, bromine, etc. Its atomic number and configuration is 2 7. Its atomic number 9. This configuration is 2 7, and these are the -1 valency because it is 1 electron necessary for complete the octet. Octet complete into 8 when it is accept 1 electrons. Okay, next, in modern periodic tables, vertical columns of elements are called groups. We study the in periodic tables, these are the vertical columns, these are called groups. Okay, these are 1 to 18 groups. Next, in modern periodic tables, horizontal row element is called, we know, horizontal like this. In this periodic tables, we know the 7 period 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6, like as the 7 period. These are the horizontal, and this horizontal row is called as periods. These are 7 in periodic table. Next question, which element is also called as fuel of future? Now the answer is hydrogen. The hydrogen is called as the fuel of future. These are butanes, alcohols in the highest quantity of hydrogen in presence. Next, name the most reactive elements in periodic table. The most reactive element is known as fluorine. These are the highly electronegative and highly reactive elements in periodic table. Next, name the non-metals which show the property of luster. Luster, it means the shining. These are non-metals. They are not show the property of luster, but only carbons forms like as graphite, diamonds. These are show the property of luster. And second element is iodine, which show the property of lusters. Besides, all non-metals are non-lusters, but carbon and iodines in non-metals, but they show the property of lusters. Next, name the noble gases which found abundantly. The argon is most abundantly gas found in, like its atomic number is 18 and symbol is Ar. Next, how many electrons are present in noble gases? These are called inert gas, zero gas. Zero electrons present in which, like as helium 2. These are the configuration is saturated, completed. So they know last inert electron is 0. They octets and duplet are completed. So their non-reactive gases. Like next, in modern periodic table, name the newly added noble gas. Now this is newly added gases. Here new elements are discovered. These are the ignition, and the symbol is OZ. These are the 118 last elements of the periodic tables. These are the gas of the noble. The first element of noble gases is helium, and last noble gases of Oz, and last periodic elements of Ognisons. These are the symbol of Og. Next, name the heaviest elements in modern periodic tables. The heaviest modern periodic tables element is osmium. These are the symbol of Os. Next, how many gases found in periodic tables? The 11 elements are the in gases form in periodic tables, in which 7 elements are nobles in form of gas. Besides are the all elements in periodic table. Next, how many noble gases found in periodic tables? 7 noble gases found in periodic table. 7 noble gases besides 4 all gases in periodic tables. Like next, symbol all noble gases found in modern periodic tables, like as helium, atomic number 2, mass 4, neon, atomic number 10, symbol Ne. Next, argons, these are symbol Ar, atomic number 18. Next, kryptons, atomic number 36, xenon, atomic number 56, radons, Rn symbols, atomic number 86, organisons, the 118, Og, its symbols. Next question, what is the atomic number of sodium? Sodium's identified by symbols of Na, atomic number 11, and atomic mass is 23. It is the elements of S blocks periodic tables, in periodic tables. Which element is also called as white gold? The common name is white gold, but it is not present golds. It is a platinum. Its atomic number 17 and identified by symbol Pt. It is not gold, it is platinum. Gold is atomic number 79 and its symbol is Au. Next, which element is called as black lead? Black lead, but it is not present lead, it's present graphites. It is the form of carbon forms and not present of lead. It's give the black colors. Next, which element found abundantly on sun and stars? The most abundant element sun and star is hydrogen, atomic number 1 and mass is 1. Next, name the most shiny metal in periodic table. Shiny metals most is platinum. Platinum atomic number 78. It is highest shiny metals in periodic tables. Next, name the noble gases used in electric bulbs which use in homes, etc. Other things we see. These are the filled with argon gas. Its atomic number is 18 and symbol is Ar. Next, name the radioactive elements found in India. India most found of radioactive element is thorium. Its symbol by Th and atomic number is 90. Next, the name of ore of thorium. Thorium's ores, it means which are extracted from monazite. The monazite is main ore of thorium. It means source of thorium we extract the thorium. Next, name the ore of uranium. Uranium symbol by U and atomic number is 92. It is extracted from the pitchblende, main ore of uranium. Next, name the element which has highest specific heat. The highest specific heat of hydrogen. Next, name the most electronegative element in periodic tables. The top position of in periodic tables, in top position of 17th group, the fluorine is top bottom fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, etc. The highest power of fluorine to most reactive element in periodic tables. Next, name the element which found abundantly in human's body. Abundantly human body is excess amount of oxygen. Its atomic number is 8 and mass is 16. Next, name the mineral found abundantly in human body. The mineral like as calcium. Its symbols of Ca, atomic number 20 and atomic mass is 40. It is as excess amount in human body like as a minerals, and all minerals, manganese, etc. in light of weight. Next, name the element found abundantly on earth crust. On earth crust, the oxygen is most abundantly elements. Next, name the element which found abundantly in earth atmosphere. The earth atmosphere most abundantly element is nitrogen and its atomic number is 7 and mass is 14. But earth crust is most abundantly element is oxygen. Next, which metal found on earth's surface in maximum quantity? We see the maximum metal aluminium is mostly highest maximum quantity of earth surface. It is symbolized by Al. Atomic number is 13 and mass is 26. Next, name the lightest gas in your periodic table. The lightest gas we study the 11 are gases present in periodic table, in which lightest gas is hydrogen, atomic number 1, mass is 1. Next, name the element which has highest ionization potential. The ionization potentials, it means to tendency to in convert into ionizations energy. These are the helium. Helium, it is a atomic number 2, mass is 4. It is symbolized by He, and these are known alpha particles. Alpha particles 2, 4, symbolized by the in scientist way. Next, name the only non-metal which is good conductor of electricity. We study that metals are good conductor. But only non-metals which show the good conductor electricity is graphite. It is the form of carbon. We study these are in which, and all non-metals are bad conductor. It means insulators. Okay. Next, how many metal present in modern periodic tables? In all periodic table, we study 118 elements, in which 19 is metal in nature. Okay. Next, how many non-metal present in modern periodic tables? We study 118, in which 91 metals and 17 is non-metals. 91 metals and 17 is non-metals. Besides, in this are metalloids. Metals, nature of metals, property of metals: 2 plus charge, 2 tendency of donor of electrons, and non-metals gainer. These are the negative charge and they accept the electron. They donors and they accept the electron. Non-metal. But metalloid the property of center property between metal and non-metalloid. They show the metal and non-metal both behavior in periodic tables, like as they started from silicon, boron, etc. in the 7th period elements in periodic table. These are the boundary of in periodic tables. In like as in periodic tables, these are boundary of metal, non-metal. These are non-metal and these are metal. These are between center of lies between in periodic tables, and these are metalloids. Next, name the densest noble element. The densest noble elements, we study the noble elements is 7, in which densest element is radons. 86, its atomic number and symbolized by Rn. Next, what is the atomic number of silicons? Silicons symbolized by Si and its atomic number 14. We study all questions on the basis of periodic table. Besides, बच्चों आपको जो है इसके अलावा पीरियडिक टेबल्स में एटॉमिक नंबर और मास लर्न करने हैं, तभी आप आगे से उसमें से फॉर्मूले क्वेश्चन बना सकते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब.